Hello friends, my name is Himanshu, and in this video we are going to understand another important text function, which is concatenate. Till the time we have learned about text functions, which is in order to extract something from the sentence, but this is something opposite to it. This is to join text. uh, just for an example, I want to add this text, which is phone number is, and then I want the phone number to come, and I want to add this in all this number. So I'm going to apply a concatenate function here, concatenate, and text one is going to be this phone number is. So within the quotation I'm typing phone number is, quotation close, comma, and the text 2 is this phone number. So I've selected this one, and we will have the output. So the text 1 is this particular text, and text 2 is the cell reference. If I'm going to drag it, I will have the answer. So this is the text, which is giving me phone number is, and then the text 2 is the cell reference, which is giving me the cell reference value, which is this one. You can add anything into it. Just for an example, it's not that practical, but let's say if someone is asking for like the initial 2 characters should be added before the phone number, like 929593, so they should come before phone number is. So how you can extract the initial 2 numbers from the phone number? Definitely they are in the extreme left side, and you may apply a left function for that, but we are going to add it in within the concatenate function. So I'm going to write this over here. Look at the formula bar. So I have set my cursor after bracket and before the phone number, and here I'm going to apply left. Text is this one, and the number of character that I want to extract from the left side is 2, so I've given 2, bracket close, comma, enter. So here you may see that the initial 2 characters has been added. So this is the perfect example of what all the things we can do. As a text 1, I have given a function, the output of that function is added here. As a text 2, I have written something by myself within the quotation, and that is also added. And as a text 3, I have given the cell reference, which is also added. Like here I am going and comma, and within the quotation I am typing, let's say, test. So it is also being added. So you may add it on the basis of sequence and in whatever mode you want to be. This is how you need to apply a concatenate function. So give a try, and after that do this task. I want all these number here in this particular format: initial 3 characters, then hyphen, then 4 hyphen, then last 3 character. So you need to do this. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.